So we are going to do premium IHO chamfer foil. Okay. And then we are going to add, maybe this one. I don't know. I'm going to do this too. I'm going to leave this two alone, and then I'm going to do this too, okay? This, if you are having beautiful chamfer foil design and chamfer foil box, and then your chamfer foil is not working and it's not, it keep giving you a hard time, it's not going to chamfer, the premium IHO chamfer foil, it will back you up every single time. You're gonna be so happy with this. All right, so we're gonna cure this quick for 30 seconds of this two beauty. 30 seconds, here it is. And this two I'm gonna leave it alone because we already have a foil underneath, so we're gonna put some crystal on this one. We can put crystal on all four of them. And you are very welcome, Jessie. Then I have like whole entire videos we're talking about how you can able to pricing for the clients. This is important. And then make sure that you are going to price it accordingly for you and your clients. So you want to be fair for you and your clients. You don't want to be like make your clients happy and then you're not going to make a business out of it. That's just not going to work for you either. So I'm going ahead and place this foil on this one. Give it a good rub. Oh my god, I am loving this collection of the exclusive 4th anniversary. And congratulations to a lot of you getting your collection already. You're gonna have so much fun with this. Okay. So beautiful. And then we are going to chamfer another one right here. You good, babe? And then we're going to do another one. Thank you, Lily. Oh, where's Winkle? And then you have your special is the dual end tweezer. You can rub it in as well. Ta-da! Oh, looks good. Okay, so now we can show this shoe done with the foil.